Okay, so thank you for watching this video on Park Assist with Snow's Mini and me, David Doyle, for Snow's Mini on the Isle of Wight. So this video is going to show you how the Park Assist function works in the Minis. We're driving a Mini Clubman here, but this same function will work in any Mini that has the Park Assist option selected. So as you can see in front of us, we've set up a scenario for parallel parking. So there's two cars there. We're driving down a high street or a normal B road, and we want to park in that space. So what I'm going to do is show you how the Park Assist can handle that. So first things first, we're going to drive along as if we were coming up to the space. I'm going to press the Park Assist button. It's now saying to start parking maneuver, stop vehicle. So it's sensed that there is a space there, okay? I'm now going to put it into reverse gear, take hands off steering wheel, as it says. So I'm going to put it into reverse. I'm going to take my hands off the steering wheel. Now it says reverse slowly and brake manually. So I'm going to do what it says. As you can see, I'm controlling the pedals, but I'm not touching the steering wheel. You can see in the reversing camera as well that we're very accurately maneuvering into the parking space. I'm controlling the clutch, the accelerator, and of course the brake, as you would when you're parking normally. I'm listening for the beeps. One long beep means stop, as it normally would. Now it says drive forward slowly and brake manually, as you normally would. You can see the steering is being done for me. Now it says reverse slowly and brake manually. Oh, no, now it's figured out we're parked perfectly. So I can put it into neutral, put the parking brake on, and enjoy the rest of my day.